it's Patty, excuse me, Lucky Lou, and JJ. Alright, you guys, box number 4. Did 3 boxes, no autograph yet. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess because the price is pretty decent, I am trying to continue buying the boxes until I can find that autograph. The local card store I go to, I notice no one else is really buying it, so I pretty much have a good chance. So today I went over there to count down how much boxes there are left. So when I picked up this box, there was 6 boxes left, so now 5. So this is the 4th box I've bought. So that means I have taken about 9 of these boxes. 4 boxes. So that means when I started buying these boxes, there was only 9 boxes left, and there is 12 boxes in a case. I'm already said I think this is whole thing already. So being said, unless the people who bought the first 3 boxes already got the auto, which there's 2 autos in a case, I still have a pretty good shot, and I'm going to go and hope for that shot. So, if you guys haven't watched boxes number 1, 2, or 3, there is 1 parallel, 1 film cell, and a possible manufacturer stuff or autograph. And of course, I am looking for that auto. Alright, you guys, that's back. I don't think we got that auto. Knowing me, I'm kind of like really curious to see if there is 2 autographs left out of that 5, will be really easy to pick it. But like I said, from the boxes that I've already bought, 3 boxes was already bought in the past. So it's a possibility that whoever bought those 3 boxes, unluckily, if they're so lucky, that those 3 boxes had both autographs, or at least has 1, and I still have 1 shot. But basically, this is what I got. The film cell, And this is the relic that is basically you either get this to autograph or something else. And this is the relic card, manufactured. Kind of the heavy side. Maybe we gotta, check on the box and see what's heavy and what's not. Alright, you guys, thanks for joining me. I can't tell you if there's gonna be box 5 or not. If there is, you'll see. And hopefully that will be the last box. Alright, Batty, do your thing.